Like a ninja thing?
Okay. Just when you thought it was safe to come back to the 45 field, I'm
but they see you doing something, they come right over here. I'm going to slap the shit out of them.
They're little women. They're a bunch of little women. They don't understand that here we are in the freaking Bronx. They're a bunch of little women.
Anybody fucks with my video?
You know what? No. What's really going to happen is, like I said,
what size is this camera? Remember you were telling me you had 4 different cameras?
This is a...
so I could learn something.
Digital to video.
We got a heavy metal image here.
Yeah.
Alright, so my voice, do you need me to sing a certain range, high, low?
Do what you gotta do, because later on, like, you re-record it, and then lip-sync it, you can...
In other words, you can adjust it so my voice, his voice in the recording's not gonna overdo mine.
Later on, we can worry about the audio.
Okay,
yeah.
I got you, I'm ready.
Later on, we worry about the audio.
Alright, so here's what I'll do, Jeff.
It's filming now.
I'll go from here to there. That's it, I won't go there.
Alright.
Alright.
You ready?
1, 2, 3. You're a singer. Do me wrong. You're a bringer of evil. The devil is never a maker. The less that you give, you're a taker. So it's on and on and on. It's heaven and hell. Oh well. To the meaning, the sooner you know that you're dreaming. So it's on and on and on. Oh, it's on and on and on. It goes on and on and on. Heaven and hell. It's illusion, 'cause every moment of truth, there's confusion in life. Love can be seen as the answer, but nobody bleeds for the dancer. And it's on and on, on and on and on. steal your dreams, it's heaven and hell. Well, they'll tell you black is really white. The moon is just the sun at night. When you walk in golden halls, you get to keep that gold that falls. It's heaven and hell. Whoa, fool, fool. You got to bleed for the dancer. Fool, fool. Look for the answer. Fool, fool, fool. My heaven and